Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about a very dangerous termite, and everybody is familiar with that termite. The name is jealousy. Now in the whole world there is nobody in particular who doesn't have this termite within. And this termite starts growing inside us unknowingly. When we are unaware what's happening, this termite starts spreading its branches, spreading its roots, and turning into a very big tree. Let me take example. When we were kids, or let us say just taking the example of today's generation, you will see jealousy will start from the very beginning when a child sees his parents or her parents loving other child. There will be a feeling of insecurity, a feeling of jealousy that I am present but still my parents are loving somebody else. Then as the child grows up, then the child will go to the school and see that my friends are getting more appreciations than me. The teachers are loving my friends more than me. And then again, that child grows up to a higher level, let us say attending college. Over there, if she is a girl, then she wants attention from guys which she isn't getting properly. And she's seeing that her friend who is not very good looking or whatever is getting all the attention from the guys, but she isn't getting. So this feeling of jealousy starts growing. Then the issue comes of boyfriend and girlfriend. The boyfriend is in love with the girlfriend is also in love with the boyfriend. But if the girl talks with some other guy or the boy talks with some other girl or is seen spending time with other person, then this feeling of insecurity starts growing within, which turns into a very big picture of jealousy. Then more, as we grow up, our heart, our lungs, our kidneys and all the parts of the bodies are filled with jealousy. Now, I am going to discuss why this happens. Definitely it happens because we are very unconscious. We don't know what's the meaning of consciousness. We don't analyze ourselves. We are always focused outside. All the senses that we have got this idea, the notion that everything is outside. So we see the world as something different from us. We see other people as something different from us. And so when I don't get whatever I want, but the same thing is being given to other person who I think doesn't deserve it, or if deserves also, I will start feeling as if I am being deprived. So this feeling of jealousy will start spinning and spinning and spinning. But this termite can be killed by consciousness. So I will recommend once more, those who are not into meditation, please start doing meditation. This lockdown period has given us enough time to get within ourselves and look what we have made ourselves to, what we have converted ourselves to. So without meditation, your mind cannot calm down. And without your breath becoming very slow and slow, your thoughts will not stop running and will always be a traffic jam inside your head. Even if there is a lockdown, there's still chaos inside your mind. So unless we stop thinking a lot, giving ourselves importance a lot, we cannot kill these dangerous termites. And we cannot educate the next generation. If I analyze myself, I will see that I am not a perfect person. Nobody is perfect in the world. But I can make my imperfections perfections. Yes. So why would I care if my parents are going and loving other child? Now a small child will not have that insight. But parents can teach. Parents must kill that insecurity inside that child. But most of us, what we do, we enjoy this fact. Well, see, my child is growing jealous because I'm loving somebody. Please don't do. Because the jealousy is not only present in human beings, is also present in animals. So these animal characters are already present in us, and still we say that we are better than them. They are much better than us because they do it unconsciously and they don't have a path to be conscious because they cannot sit and meditate. But we can sit and meditate. We can keep our mind calm because we have got a spinal cord which is looking upward, which is targeting upward, a vertical one. But animals have got parallel spinal cord, so they cannot meditate. So when this path has been given to us, so why not utilize it? There are various ways of meditation. I will give you a simple technique. Just close your eyes and concentrate on your breath. At least for 1 minute, start with 1 minute. And then when you will get accustomed to it, do it every time. Whenever you get nervous, whenever you are getting hyper, the stillness of your mind is dying. Please do it. Otherwise, you will become old very fast. You will imbibe all sorts of diseases because of this. This video was meant to be longer because I wanted to